Yes, children, we are going to do the revision of all the back exercises of all the chapters of science, right? From lesson number 8. And kindly please open your books at page number 76, everyone, right? And afterwards, we will take out your queries. Page number 76. Are you all ready? And please get ready. I will unmute you one by one and ask your queries. Okay? Both offline and online students, be attentive and it will be asked again and again. Darsh, please stand up. Hanji bete. Respiratory system. अरे मैच द फॉलोइंग है 76 पेज पे जल्दी come on look at your books 76 page don't say ma'am please hanji yes help us to breathe Komal nervous system yes help us in thinking feeling and learning last one Sarah digestive system Sarah ये देखो दिवांशी यस दिवांशी हाँ जी बेटे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम बोलो बच्चे यस
breaks our food into simpler substances.
गुड यस हाँ जी सामिया सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम F transport nutrients and other substances Deepak excretory system Deepak excretory system wait a minute बच्चे हाँ जी बेटे अनम्यूट हो गए हो Yes, Ranesh, please open page number 80. Bones cannot move without. Ranesh. Bete, bones cannot move without. I suppose your speaker is not working. We are not able to hear. Ashpreet. Ashpreet.
Muscles.
Good. Involuntary muscles are? Hurry up. Ashpreet, continue please.
Not under our control.
Good. A place where two bones meet is called a?
Joint.
Joint. Good. Move to the next page. That is page number 83. Okay, Kritagya, kindly give the answers of these MCQs.
Good morning, ma'am.
Nerves that carry message from brain to different parts of body is called?
Brain to different parts of the body are called motor nerves.
Yes, it is motor nerves. All the movements of body are controlled by?
Brain.
Brain. Good. Largest part of brain is?
Cerebrum.
Cerebrum. Very good. Now move to the next page, number 86. 86. Mehak.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा MCQs. Number of bones in an adult human body is?
Ma'am, 206.
Good. Type of joint in the ankle?
Ma'am, gliding.
Gliding. Very good. The hinge joint is found in?
Ma'am, finger.
Fingers. Spinal cord is protected by?
Ma'am, backbone.
Backbone. Which sense organ differentiates Between different
Tongue.
tastes of food, tongue. Very good, Mehak. Thank you. Pina. Yes. बेटे which part of the body that protects our brain? इसमें otherwise skull आता है, पर कुछ बच्चों ने cerebrospinal fluid भी लिखा है, वो पूरी तरह से गलत नहीं होगा. ठीक है? Cerebrum. Okay. Now next it is Manmeet. Manmeet Kaur, please unmute yourself. हाँ जी बेटा, tell me the circle, the odd one out. Elbow, finger, shoulder. Elbow, finger, shoulder.
Finger.
एक मिनट सुनने दो. हाँ जी. Which one? No. Is it finger? It is shoulder. बेटा फिंगर में भी हिंज जॉइंट है और एल्बो में भी हिंज जॉइंट है. फिंगर भी वन डायरेक्शन में मूव होती है और एल्बो भी वन डायरेक्शन में मूव होता है. बट आवर शोल्डर्स दे कैन मूव इन एनी डायरेक्शन. इट इज हैविंग बॉल एंड सॉकेट जॉइंट. ठीक है, तो शोल्डर इज ऑड वन आउट. हाँ जी मनमीत, नेक्स्ट. टंग, आर्म्स, लेग्स. हाँ जी. टंग. cerebellum, liver, cerebrum. Yes, liver. Okay बच्चे. Natansh. Natansh, fill in the blanks please. Gliding joint is found in
ankles.
gliding joint is found. बेटे आप have you opened your book? बुक में एंकल तो लिखा ही नहीं कहीं. नेक और रिस्ट की ऑप्शन है. क्या आएगा?
Wrist.
Wrist. Muscles are attached to the bones by
Ligament.
muscles are attached to the bones. It is tendons. Open your book, page number 87. You haven't opened the book, I suppose. Options में से देख के चलो. निश्चय. Page number 87, blanks.
Yes, ma'am.
The dash of the brain controls our muscular activities.
Voluntary muscles.
बेटे बुक खोलो, बुक में दी हुई हैं ऑप्शंस बच्चे. हाँ जी दर्श.
मैम कौन से पेज पे?
87 पेज पे ब्लैंक्स चल रहे हैं. हाँ जी, तो इसमें ब्लैंक्स में कहाँ इनवॉलंटरी मसल्स वर्ड दिया हुआ है? ऑप्शंस चेक करो, क्या आना चाहिए थर्ड का? द डैश ऑफ द ब्रेन कंट्रोल्स अवर मस्कुलर एक्टिविटीज. सेरिबेलम. बेलम आएगा कि ब्रम आएगा? cerebellum. Sit down, good. Yes, Nishya, next. The vertebral column protects our delicate.
Spinal cord.
Yes,
Spinal cord.
Now, Nishya, tell me these three pictures. What is the first picture called as? क्या है?
Brain.
Brain.
Membrane.
ये second.
Brain.
Second.
मैम second है pivot joint.
बेटे इसको pivot joint भी लिख सकते हो, skull भी लिख सकते
मैम
हो.
pivot joint.
हाँ, pivot joint और skull दोनों में आ सकता है. Third one.
मैम rib cage.
Very good.
मैम backbone भी आ सकता है.
नहीं, बैकबोन नहीं आएगा क्योंकि यहाँ रिब केज क्लियर है. स्टर्नम दिया हुआ है, बैकबोन तो विजिबल ही नहीं है. इट इज रिब केज. ठीक है,
ओके मैम, थैंक
बैकबोन तो विजिबल ही नहीं है, सिर्फ रिब्स आ रही हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इट इज मान्या. मान्या, विल यू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ? नो. हरमन. Harman, unmute yourself. Angel, wait a minute. Wait. Angel, Hanji beta, page number 87 MCQs. The only muscles which do not get tired. It is cardiac muscles. Next, the joint allows movement of bones in one direction. It is hinge joint. Next, it is in the absence of nervous system, you cannot. Yes, it is both see or hear. दोनों ही आएगा. Third option. Divya, unmute yourself, beta. Open next chapter. Page number. Yes, page number 90. Divya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. A push or pull on an object is called. Let us. It is called.
Ma'am, please read.
Push or pull on an object.
Force.
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 Good. Force. A option.
Force.
हाँ जी बेटा पेज नंबर 90 खोलो बेटे. To move an object we need force. A force can change
Direction of an both of these.
both of these. Correct. Both of these. Okay. Afterwards, open page number 92. 92. Angel. The force of earth that attracts the object towards its center. Angel, which force is this? Okay. Muskan Sehgal.
Ma'am,
Gravitational force.
Gravitational force.
Yes, bache. Next, Angel. Oh, sorry, Muskan. The force produced by rubbing things with each other.
Magnetic electrostatic force.
Yes, it is electrostatic force. Which force slows down the movement of the objects? Which force slows down?
Frictional force.
Yes, it is frictional force. Good, bache. Sarah, please unmute yourself. Open page number 94. Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Anji beta, in which
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
following activities work is said to be done?
Playing football.
Yes, ability to do work is called. Hurry up, Sarah.
Ma'am, yes.
Ability to do work is called.
Energy.
Good. Energy from the sun is called.
Ma'am, energy.
Third one.
Solar energy.
Solar energy. Good. Anji bache. Open page number 100. That completes our century. Okay. Dishita. Dishita, please unmute yourself. In the object on which work is to be. Hanji. Dishita.
Ma'am,
First, page number.
ma'am, load.
Load. The object on which work is to be performed. ठीक है? A part है इसका load. V-shaped simple machine is called wedge. Bottle opener is an example of lever. Good. Hanji. Dharya, fill in the blanks. First, Earth's dash keep us and other objects on ground. Gravity, friction makes it dash to slide heavy objects. Friction से easy हो जाता है. Hard. Friction makes it hard to slide the heavy objects. Already बेटा heavy objects को slide करना tough है और friction से और ज़्यादा tough होता है. Sit down. A pair of scissors is an example of first class lever. Dash is used to split or cut wood. Wedge, Kanishka, Energy of the object due to its position is called potential energy. Position means potential energy. Dash, match the following. Second class liver, nutcracker. Wheel and axle, car steering. Inclined plane, screw. ठीक है, स्क्रू का स्क्रू जैक, इंक्लाइन प्लेन का स्लोपिंग प्लेन, कोमल, एंड इंक्लाइन प्लेन wound around a rod is called screw. The machine used to split or cut things, wedge. Sit down. ठीक है. Now I'll back to online students and come to the next chapter. Page number 105, children. ठीक है. Oh, okay. Yes, you can. Right? हाँ जी, children, please. Pavneet, बेटे unmute yourself. Pavneet.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा. Pavneet, page number 105. The blanket of air around the earth is called?
Atmosphere.
Good. Atmosphere contains maximum amount of? क्या आएगा इसका आंसर?
Ma'am, nitrogen.
नाइट्रोजन.
Nitrogen.
ठीक है. Which of the following gases is used in fire extinguisher? कौन सी गैस यूज होती है? Yes, it is carbon
Ma'am, carbon
dioxide.
dioxide.
Yes, ma'am. हाँ जी बच्चे, next. Deepak, come to the next page. Page number 108. Deepak, unmute yourself, beta. What is the percentage of total water used for drinking? Deepak?
3%.
Yes, 3%. Beta, 97% is not used for drinking. Only 3% we can use it for drinking. Air dash on heating. Deepak, please continue. Air dash on heating. Hurry up. Expands. ठीक है? B part expands. The substances that make water unfit for drinking. Impurities.
Pollution.
Impurities. It is not pollution, it is impurities. ठीक है? Impurities बेटे water को खराब करती है so that it will not be good for drinking. और impurities add होने से water becomes polluted. The word is impurities. Come to the next. Keep your hand down, otherwise you will get tired. I can see you guys. ठीक है? Page number 110. Okay, Nishay. MCQs. The gas necessary for burning is?
Ma'am, what's the page number?
110, bete. Gas.
Yes, ma'am.
Gas necessary for burning is?
Oxygen.
Which of the following forms a layer of sediment in water?
Sand.
Sand. Good. Mehak. Mehak, bete, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Circle the odd one out. Nitrogen, mud, oxygen. Mehak.
Mud.
Why mud?
Ma'am, mud.
Why?
Ma'am, because nitrogen and ma'am, oxygen are the gases.
Yes, nitrogen and oxygen are the gases. Mud is an impurity.
Ma'am, mud is not a gas.
Evaporation, distillation, sedimentation. हाँ जी
Ma'am,
मैम.
sedimentation.
Sedimentation. Why?
Ma'am, because evaporation and distillation are the removing of soluble impurities, and
Yes.
ma'am,
It
sedimentation
is a method to remove
removing of
insoluble
insoluble impurities.
Sand, mud, salt. Sand,
Ma'am,
mud,
salt.
salt. Good.
Ma'am, salt.
Good बच्चे. Angel. Angel. हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am.
The blanks. A mixture of sand and water can be separated by using
Filtration.
yes. We can add dash tablets in water to kill germs. Hurry up with
Chlorine.
chlorine. Salt is a dash impurity. Salt is a dash impurity.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Third one beta.
Ma'am, your voice is not come.
Salt is a dash impurity.
Ma'am, your voice is not
Soluble.
clear coming.
ठीक है. Salt is a soluble impurity. और बेटा अपने रिवीजन टेस्ट में insoluble impurities में salt लिखा हुआ था. Yesterday I told you all ना. So please be careful. Salt is a soluble impurity.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी.
ma'am, please tell me, ma'am, my voice is coming.
Yes, your voice is properly coming. Okay.
Ma'am, but your voice is crashing.
I don't know, beta. There might be some problem from your side also. That may be any technical issue. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, Radhika. Radhika. During the process of evaporation.
Yes, ma'am.
During the process of evaporation, what is lost? It is water. ठीक है? Okay, Agrim. Agrim is there. आपका तो बेटे टेस्ट पड़ा पूरा. ठीक है ना? कृतज्ञ. Kritagya, can you identify the pictures at page number 111?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kritagya.
Ma'am, first is decantation.
Yes, first decantation. Second,
Ma'am, filtration.
filtration. Third one is
Ma'am, third is sedimentation.
sedimentation. Okay, is it correct? Hanji Kanishka, please stand up. MCQs at the same page 111. Drinking water can be purified by boiling. Insoluble impurities from water can be separated by filtration. Okay? Okay. Now open page number 116. Yes, beta, for the practice, you might go for periodic assessment too. For your practice, go for this also. Okay? This is from chapter number 8 to 10. And all the chapters are in our syllabus. Okay? Now open page number 116. Yes, Bhavuk. Moon takes dash days to complete one revolution. It is B 27.3. There, the small sunlit portion of moon's surface is called crescent moon. Samya, spaceship that took 3 Americans to a moon. It is Apollo 11. Divanshi, open page number 119, beta. 119 page. Yes, bache. During solar eclipse, dash casts its shadow on the earth. Hurry up. During solar eclipse,
Ma'am, the moon.
Okay, बच्चे. It is the moon. बच्चे, please check, kindly mute yourself if there is any kind of disturbance. ठीक है? Gurcharan, 5th D. Gurcharan. नहीं. बेटे class on.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, Gurcharan, page number 119. Second MCQ. The water on the seas on the side of the earth facing the moon gets attracted upwards, causing, when the water gets attracted upwards, it is called as. Gurcharan, क्या आंसर आएगा बेटा?
Ma'am,
What should be the answer?
ma'am, आपकी voice, ma'am, voice नहीं आ रही है आपकी ठीक से थोड़ी.
It is called as high tides. ठीक है? The satellite that send messages from one country to another country, तो उसको हम कहते हैं communication satellites. ठीक है? So children, let's complete it quickly. Last page and 2 minutes are left. Page number 121. 121. ठीक है? Yes, Darsh. Gravity of the moon is dash of the earth. 1/6. Mehak, every day high tides occur. Every day high tide occur
Twice.
twice. When moon is not visible to us, it is called as. Sit down, Richard.
New moon.
New moon. Radhika. Next, बच्चे. Circle the odd one out. Moon.
Yes, ma'am.
One insert 1B. क्या आएगा इसका? Moon.
Ma'am, moon.
हाँ. Because it is a natural satellite. Waxing, eclipse, waning.
Ma'am, eclipse.
Lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, gibbous moon.
Ma'am, gibbous moon.
Yes, it is gibbous moon. Good. Nishay. Blanks, please. When entire moon is invisible, we call it as a total. क्या आएगा?
Ma'am, what's the question?
Fill in the blanks.
Ma'am, आपकी आवाज थोड़ी clear नहीं है.
Better check your connection also. Yes, Kanishka, please stand up. When entire moon is invisible, we call it as a total. Lunar eclipse around Bhavuk. Natural satellite of Earth is moon. Dharya, please all of you sit down. Dash helps in communication, weather forecasting and navigation. Artificial satellites, Komal. Dash happens when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. Solar eclipse. Samya. Dash has no atmosphere. Moon has no atmosphere. Now MCQs. Kartik Sehgal, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. बेटे MCQs बताओ. When the earth comes between the sun and the moon, we have. क्या आएगा हमारे पास?
Lunar eclipse.
Lunar eclipse. Moon reflects the light of the. Moon reflects the light of the sun. Okay, children. I hope that.
Sun.
Okay.
Sun.
ठीक है?